Hello, today we come to visit our customer's sample room and we will take a look how we use our laminating product to decorate this room. Let's take a look at the white wall, black wall and the white ceiling. All they are produced by a flat laminating line, and the base material is PVC foam board, WPC, and the honeycomb aluminum and MDF. And the surface material is PVC film or PET film. So we can see one PUR laminating line can achieve the door, wall, cabinet, and ceiling products. Now we take a look at this brand profile. It was produced by our PUR ramping machine. And the base material is WPC or aluminum or MDF. And the surface material is PVC film. If you are interested in our production line, please click the following link.